Good morning. Today is another Mask Monday, and today I'm doing a sheet mask, and I've never heard of this company, Baroness, and this is a 10-pack that I got on clearance from Marshall's for $6, and it's a peony flower mask. So I figured spring is supposed to be coming around the corner here. We just had snow yesterday, but I think this week is officially the date of spring, so I figured I'd do a nice spring face mask. Okay, so it has instructions on the back in multiple languages. It says it is a revitalizing one, and the directions are pretty much standard for any sheet mask. Wash your face, prepare with the skin with toner, spread the sheet mask evenly over the face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove the mask. Pat leftover essence lightly until fully absorbed. So your typical one, but hopefully this gets everybody in the mood for spring. Okay. The packet is exactly the same as the box. Get my towel here because usually they have stuff pretty heavily liquid. Let's see. Okay, your standard sheet mask. I love getting these different sheet masks at Marshall's. I think it just is a nice way to try them. They're usually when you can find them on clearance. I mean, they have so many that are there even without being on clearance, but on clearance, I feel like you can really get some good deals. Okay. And you know what, before I put it on, I'm just gonna open the eye holes a little bit. I usually do that once I've got it on. And I'm gonna break the part over the lip. And I would love to know down below if when you use sheet mask, do you feel like the eye holes are too small? So if you could just leave a comment of eye holes too small or eye holes just right. Because I'm just curious if I'm the only one, or do other people think that they're too small too, or other people just, it doesn't bother them. I am kind of sensitive for stuff around my eyes. I don't wear contacts. I've tried them in the past. I wear glasses, but because I don't like touching my eye, and I don't put liner on the waterline because it just kind of creeps me out doing that in my eye. So maybe it's just me and being as sensitive to my eye. I don't know. I always break this because that part is really sensitive. That's my only sensitive area really for my skin. If I don't break it, I will be all red and puffy there the next day. Okay, so that was easy to apply. Went on smooth, really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna wait the 15 minutes, and it was much easier if you are a person that has to break the eye holes or anywhere. It was much easier to do that before you put it on your face. I might have stretched them a little too much, but okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I am back, and I just wanted to say that this sheet mask, some of them seem like they are really onto your face where you could probably walk around, do some other cleaning or whatever you want to do, even though you probably should be relaxing. But this one, it does feel kind of heavy, so I feel like you really do have to lay back or have one of those plastic masks to put over this, because I think if you were walking around and doing stuff, it would, see already it's like, as I'm sitting here, starting to come undone. So I think that that would probably pull on your face or pull it down a little bit if you were up and out. So let's take this off. Woo. And there is still product on here, but it does feel revitalizing. So I think that that's good. And The scent, I was expecting there to be a strong scent since it said Peony flower mask, but they're actually, I don't really smell anything. So if you're worried about that when you see, if you see this, don't worry about it, because yeah, I don't really smell any floral scent or any scent. Let's see, I guess because it just contains peony extract, and it says which provides moisture to skin and leaves skin visibly younger. So I think that it's good. It doesn't stand out as to one that is really like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. But I do feel refreshed, revitalized, and looking in the camera, I feel like, yeah, it's got a little bit of a glow to it. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I will definitely use these up. If I saw it again, I probably wouldn't repurchase them, just because having them once, when I get through 10 of them, I'll probably be ready for something else. But if you see these at Marshall's, I would recommend picking them up, especially if they're on clearance, because yeah, I do feel refreshed. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this. Again, I'd love to know down below if you adjust any of your sheet mask, if you could just put eyes too small or eyes just right or something like that. So let me know, do you adjust them or do you just put it on and leave it as is and it works for your face shape? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I will see you next week. Bye.